Alrighty, so we are going to go to the create a video option in Adobe Express. So you've already taken, if you're taking my class, you've already done the pro version. So this is going to be super easy and compared. So you're going to go to videos instead of templates, because this is going to be like examples of videos, not templates. We don't want those right now. So they have different seasons, or you can search. So now I'm going to type in cars, and then you'll see there's random videos that'll pop up from cars. Okay. So all I'm going to do is drag and drop right here. And now I have an audio of a video. Okay. So as of now, this video does not have any audio. I want to add two different types of audio. The first type of audio that I want to add is going to be just like random music, like a soundtrack. So if you scroll down, you will have different types of audio. You can go to, let me exit this out. So right now I'm seeing all these different sound effects for cars. Okay, so I'll come back to that. But I want to go to different type of music first. So you have background music, blues, country, dance. So I just go down, I'm gonna go to hip hop. Okay, so this one's 30 seconds long. I'm gonna drag and drop it, and it's gonna automatically put it underneath the video. So now when we listen to it, it has the music to go along with it. Okay, so in addition to that, we're going to mix in some sound effects. So now let me type in cars again. And when I do that, you have all these different type of effects, and I can listen to them first. Swerve, all of that. So what I want to do is add three different effects to my video. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna start with this tire swerve. I'm gonna drag and drop it on top of it. So now I have that tire swerve and I have it on at the same time. Okay. Let's see if we can add a couple more. Let me go to explosion. Since we have this car on fire. All right, I'm gonna try drag and dropping that next. So now I have music going on. I have the explosion, and I want to trim this explosion a little bit so I can add one more. Make space, and let's just find something random. There you got something called vehicle explosion. Let's go with that one. So now I've had three different types of audio. So that sounds pretty good. But let's pretend that, okay, the audio was too loud from the music. I'm going to click on the audio for the music, which is this one right here, and I can turn down the volume. That way the music doesn't drown out the sound effects. Okay. Or that's too light, I can turn it up a little bit more. And that's just part of mixing. Mixing it is an art in itself. You got to figure out how to mix it so it sounds right, so it sounds good. And that's it. Once you are finished with that, you are going to download it. So press the download button. It's going to ask for recommended best for video MP4, and I'm going to download it. And I just got to wait until it's finished downloaded, and then I will turn it in. And that's all we got.